I was blowing in to create the space in the centre and to fill up the full shape of the mold. The extra piece on top, that's called the cap, and that will be removed in the next department. All the caps are recycled and used again in the raw material. So all excess crystal can be recycled. And then the other cap that gets ready to get a piece from the village to the background.